Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help guys. So for this video, we're going to show you how and where to download mega files without any limits. So for this video, we want to focus your attention to Mega. Mega is a third-party application that you can utilize to download multiple videos, multiple documents, multiple images all at once, and at the same time without any limit or with high limits. So, for example, if you're downloading a video and it has a lot of, or it reaches the limit already, it's difficult to download on a normal storage. But with Mega, you can definitely download it without any hassle. Now, the best part about Mega is it doesn't just come with like storage. It also involves other features. For example, you have here chats and meetings. You can chat and meet your friends, families here through the Mega application. You have VPN included. So if you afford one of their business packs or one of their high subscriptions, definitely you get a free VPN which secures your files and your online privacy. You also have here your password manager, and of course, you have your object storage. Now, Mega, however, it comes for a price. So there are for individuals. They also have for freelancers, and of course, they have for small businesses or startup businesses. And here on their application, you can see the different benefits that they have. For example, here for business owners, you have here, you can see the total users. And at the same time, you can see statistics regarding the files that are being sent, being shared, being downloaded, everything. As for the prices usually starts per year. You can pay just for $5 a year. You already have a Pro Lite. Now this is usually for individuals, specifically students who aims to like use this for like schools or like share projects or download files. Definitely Pro Lite's the one for you. But if you're a business, then definitely go to their business pack right here. You can get a plan or subscription for $20 a month. You already have 3 users, 3 terabytes of base storage and transfer storage, which is not bad for business owners. Now, the way you utilize Mega is similar to how you use OneDrive and Google Drive. You store the data and then automatically you can share it. And if you're using the business plan or if the person you're giving the storage to also has Mega, then they can also download it even if it has a big file or if it's a big file or if the file storage is quite high. And that's it. Hopefully we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.